fix cannot connect to App Store iOS 18. So, the first thing that you want to do is go to the settings of your iPhone. Over here, scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on Date and Time and make it correct if it is not. After that, go back and go to VPN device and management. And make sure to turn off your VPN, it is turned on. Again, go back and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and reset your network settings. Then check your App Store. The issue may have been fixed. If it is not, then try to connect Wi-Fi by disconnecting it. Now your issue will be fixed. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.